am converting string to integer. I need a number to check the roll. Based on experience, I want to find the roll. The string value to integer by using integer dot %. By using integer dot %. Are you clear with this? Very good. Just to see java.io.star input stream reader. Here I am writing throws exception. Whenever you are reading the data that may give the exception, I am throwing that exception by using throws exception. The syntaxes should be proper. If you make any syntax mistake, that will not work out. Okay, I will upload this code, guys. In the notes I will keep it. How to read the data from the keyboard. Okay, so this is buffered reader program. This is my buffered reader program. So people will not understand all the predefined classes, methods, syntaxes. That's why they feel Java is difficult. If you understand the documentation, if you can read user manual, then you can work with Java easily. But initially it will be little confusing, but you have to fight with that. Initially you have to fight with that. How I am able to remember all the classes, packages, methods, syntaxes? Because working experience, every day we are going to use it. Now you are now, if I ask, can you tell me your childhood friends names? Yes or no? Because daily you will talk to them. If I ask, tell me your college friends names, you can tell, because daily you will talk to them, you will chat with them. That is there in your brain. If I ask you to tell Java class names, you cannot tell, because you are not habituated to that. You are first time entered into Java community. So slowly you are going to work with all the classes. So every day, if you are working with all the classes, you no need to open the documentation also. But now, if I want to write the program, any program, I no need to open the documentation, because from 9 years every day I am working with that. So everything is there in my brain. Everything, all the predefined classes, methods, syntaxes are there in my brain. So at any point of time, if you ask me, Ashok, how to read the data from the keyboard? Buffer reader BR is equal to new buffer reader. For buffer reader, we need to connect input stream reader. In the buffer reader, read method available, read line method available. Read method is used to read the single character. Read line method will read group of characters. Read line method will give the string. String should be converted to integer. Integer dot parse it. That is there in the brain, because every day I am using that class, that method in my project. So once you do that practice multiple times, that will be registered in your brain also. After 6 months, any class name, any method name, you can tell, you can use without opening the documentation. So that is how you need to become a programmer. Are you guys clear with my point? Now, so don't worry about it. Don't worry, sir. Today, class is little difficult for me. I can't understand what you are doing. So, am I eligible for Java or not? मुझे अभी doubt लग रहा है. Initially, it was very easy. Java C, Java, 2 commands, very good, easy. But today, something it is different. Something it is different. Simple example. Let us take Sachin Tendulkar. Right? Sachin Tendulkar, very good batsman, world famous batsman. Did he made century in the first match only? First match कितना मारा? In the first match, duck out. First match, duck out. Second match, century मारा. 15 below 20 only. In the second match, he scored below 20 only. How he became master blaster? Every day net practice. He played so many matches. He understand how to hit the ball with the bat with practice. Why he did not score first day century if he is a good batsman? Nobody is good. Nobody knows everything. We have to learn step by step. So when I learned Java in the year of 2011, 2012, my BTech completed. In the 2012, when I attended Java, We don't know that this documentation will be available. Faculty will tell the concept. We have to write in the notes. We have to read that notes only. This much internet resources are not available at that time. Whatever faculty teach in the class, that is Bhagavad Gita and Bible for us. Whatever he teach in the class, that is Bhagavad Gita, Bible. That time smartphones not available. YouTube videos are this much not famous. Udemy courses are not available. This documentation also we don't know. We don't know that we need to open this documentation. If we, faculty also will not teach to open the documentation. Why? Student will directly learn the concept. Faculty का importance नहीं होता. Understand my point? If a student knows everything, will there be any importance for the faculty? No. At that time, they use it to play such kind of cheap tricks. Okay, now people got matured. Everything is available in the internet. You need to check it. You need to check it. You need to Google it. You need to browse it. You need to improve yourself. Nobody will be there for you. You have to run your life. You have to lead your life. So you have to work very hard. Don't think that Ashok sir is available. हमको पूरा Java पढ़ाते हैं. Ashok sir will be there with you for next 6 months only. उसके बाद finding me is very difficult for you. I will not be available for you after 6 months of time. Understand my point? You are the one who is going to work in the company. So you should be able to do it everything on your own. Now, you might have seen the friends in your hostel. They are not able to do the job. They are going for support. So that if you pay half salary for the support person, will he spend his 24 hours with you? He will give 1 hour time. Suppose that support person is solving your problem. His girlfriend called him. Shall we go for coffee? आपका काम बाढ़ में गई. Will he stay with you? If support person is solving your problem, he got a call from his girlfriend. Shall we go for movie today? What he will do? He will go for movie or he will work for you? Come on. If you are in that situation, what you will do? You will go for movie or you will work for your friend? Throw the laptop and go for movie. Yes or no? That means then who is responsible to complete that work? You खुद करना ही पड़ेगा. You have to do that work on your own. So you should not dependent on anyone. Especially in the programming, you should not dependent on anyone because whatever the code you are writing, tomorrow code will not be same. Whatever you have done yesterday, today code will not be same. हर दिन नया requirement. Every day new requirement, new classes, new methods, new logic. You should be dynamic. You should be dynamic. You are responsible to solve your problems. Nobody solve your problem. And in that too, in the IT, lot of competition. Lot of competition. If I do better work in my team, my manager will give hike for me. My manager will give promotion for me. My manager will send me on site. If I help you, मुझे क्या मिलेगा? Will you give your salary for me? No, na. So that kind of mindset will be there for few people in the IT. Competition will be there. They will try to blame you. They will try to blame you in front of the team. You should be very careful. Lot of politics will be there in the IT industry. Your team members will blame you. Your team members will prove that you don't know anything in front of your manager because they want to get that credit. Now, you and me, we both are working on a team. If we both do the same work, manager want to give the promotion, किसको देगा? उसको confuse हो जाएगा ना? दोनों अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. If I prove that you are not doing good, I will get promotion. I will get promotion, right? If there is any on-site opportunity, client location को जाना है, अमेरिका, हमारे इंडियंस को बहुत शौक होता है, यार अमेरिका जाके आना एक बार देखना है क्या है उधर, right? If I blame you in the team, manager will feel that Ashok is doing good work, that Rakesh is not doing good. Ashok told so many times Rakesh doing not good programming. Ashok is better. Let us send Ashok to on-site. मुझे on-site मिलेगा, आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. So that's the reason we should be very, very, very careful as a software engineer. N number of politics will be there in the company. You should be ready to fight with that. When you can fight with them, अगर आपके पास सब्जेक्ट अच्छे हैं तो कर सकते हैं? Yes or no? अगर आपके पास सब्जेक्ट है तो कर सकते हैं. You need to be very strong in the coding. So everything, any class, any method, at any point of time, you should be able to discuss with your team member. Arey, I want to read the data from the file. Yes, go to file reader, go to buffer reader. There is a read line method, read the data. That's it. So that is that code, that lines of code, you just have to imagine. And you need to write the code. Thinking is very important. Analysis is very important. You should have grip on the programming. That means you have to read that manual. You have to read that manual. You have to read that documentation that should be stored in your brain. Okay? Now, how I am able to write the code without opening the documentation means practice. I have done a lot of practice. I have used it in my project. That's why it is there in my brain. You are learning for first time, so it may take time for you. It may take time for you. Don't think that my sir is able to write every program. He is not getting any problem. I am getting the problem. Yes, you will get it. Whenever you are writing the code, you will get a number of problems because the way how my brain thinks while doing the coding, the way your brain thinks is different. I have experience, you are fresher. That's the reason my code will compile, my code will execute. If it is not executing, I know how to fix that problem. But you need to learn that problem solving skill you need to improve. Got it? That is the first thing you need to know to become a programmer. Everything is not easy. You need to do hard work. You need to do lot of practice. Then only you will get all these things. Once you become good programmer, nobody can stop you. Java programmers are top rated people in the IT. So if you go for any company, Java developer will be there. Java project will be there. If the companies also prefers to take Java developers, why? अरे इसको Java आता है, he can work on anything. Yes or no? If you know Java, Java is the difficult part. If you know how to work with the difficult technology, you can work with remaining technologies also. That's why Java people are having lot of demand in the IT. Now we are trying to push that elephant. Java is like an elephant. It is hard. We are trying to push that. Once if you are able to push that elephant, दाग को फेंक दे ऐसा. It is easy. Any technology is easy if you know how to work with Java. So it will take time. We know that it is difficult. It is hard. Confuse होता है, problems आता है, but ready to face it. We have to face it. Got it? Good. So you understand how to read the data from the keyboard. Understand how to read the data from the keyboard. Now, I want to write one more program. How to read the data from the keyboard. That program is used to find that a number is a odd number or even number. Can you tell me the code for that? My requirement is write a Java program to read a number from the keyboard and find out that number is a odd number or that number is a even number. Can you help me with the code? Come on. First, let me note down the requirement. What is the requirement? What is my requirement? Write a Java program to find given number is odd or even. Read number from keyboard. Read the number from keyboard. Can you tell me code for that? Yes, come on. First, what we need, online people, can you hear me? ये क्या लिखा? Nobody teach IO package in Amirpet. They told it is not important. I'm very weak in Java, but from teaching from you, I'm exact understanding. Hats off to you. Oh my God. Chalo. Right. So I want to write a program to decide the number is a odd number or even number. How can we do that? Class first import we can don't buttify the code. You should be dynamic. So whenever you use a class, then you write the import. First, so if you write first import, what is the meaning? Ratta. That is batti. We should not do that. Write the class. When you want to use the class, then that should come into your brain. अरे ये predefined class है, उसको import करना पड़ेगा. Are you getting my point? Never ever start the program from the import. If you are starting from import, batti. That is batti. You are static programmer. You are not dynamic programmer. Dynamic programmer means when you use that class, then it should come to your brain. Arey, this is a predefined class. I have to import that class. Got it? Chalo, come on. From where I need to start the program? Class name, add or even. To execute a program, I need a main method. Come on. What is the syntax? Public static void main string arguments. Fine. Now, should I hard code the value? No, I want to read it from the keyboard. How to read it from the keyboard? Check this diagram. System.in connected to input stream reader, connected to buffer reader. Now, first I am going to use input stream reader. Variable name can be anything. ISR is equal to new input stream reader. What is that? System.in. What is the purpose of system.in? Connected to the keyboard input. The input stream reader is our class or it is a predefined class? Predefined class. In which package it is available? Java.io. Then import it. Samjha? Right. Now how to import it? Import java.io star. I imported. Now this input stream reader I need to connect with buffer reader. How to connect with buffer reader? Create the object for the buffer reader. How to create object for buffer reader? Buffer reader br is equal to new buffer reader pass ISR. Buffer. Right? Buffered reader. Yeah. ISR. Input stream reader ISR is equal to new input stream reader. That means I am creating the object for the input stream reader. Input stream reader object I am passing to buffer reader. Okay. Now in the buffer reader there is a method to read the data. What is the method available? Read line. How to call that method? br.readline. What that method is going to give? How it is going to read the data? Will it read as an integer or it will read as a string? It will read as a string. Let us store that string into str. str is nothing but a variable. Now, so here to check that number as the even or odd, I need that in the number format. But I got in the string format. I got that in the string format. I want to use that in the number format. I want to convert from string to integer. How to convert from string to integer? Come on. Integer dot parse int. Integer dot parse int of str. What is the meaning of integer dot parse int? Typecasting. What is that? Typecasting. What is the meaning of typecasting? Converting from one format to another format. That is called typecasting. Right. Now let us store integer number. Let us store integer number. Now what I need to do next? I want to check that number is a even number or odd number. If the number is a even number, I should print message as it is even. If it is odd, if it is not even, then definitely it is a odd number. I need to print it as a odd number. How can you say number is even? Any number, it is completely divisible by 2. That is called as a even number. Now, if the remainder is 0, then that is a even number. I want to check the condition. How many conditions I need to check? One condition or two conditions? One condition. That means, should I go for if-else ladder or I should go for only if-else? How many conditions I need to check? Only one condition. Come on, that energy I need. Come on, what is the syntax? If number modulus by 2 is equal to 0, That is equality operator. So if it is equals to 0, single equal means assignment, double equal means equality, comparing. If number modulus equal to 0, then I want to print it is as system dot out dot println. It is even number. It is even. If condition not satisfied, else part. What I am going to do in the else part? System dot out dot println. It is odd number. It is odd number. Easy? Yes. Now, can we try to save this program? What is the class name I am giving? Odd or even. Save it. Go to our programs. Workspace. Odd or even dot Java. Odd or even dot Java. Now, let's try to compile. Java C. Odd or even dot Java. Oh, failed. Exception. Do we need to deal with that exception? Do we know how to deal with that now? No. Throw it. How to throw it? Here only see where I am writing. After main method, before curly brace I am writing that. That is the syntax. Throws exception. Save it. Java C odd or even dot Java. Java C odd or even dot Java. Java space odd or even. Waiting. It is waiting for me. Give 10. Enter. It is even. Now, do I need to change the code to test another number? Why? Why I no need to change the code? I am reading from the keyboard. I am reading the data from the keyboard. Odd or even. Now, let me give it as 11. Given it as a 11. So, my program is executing as expected. 24. It is even. 25. It is odd. Are you guys getting my point? Now, can I make this program more readable? Simple. Here I am writing system dot out dot println enter number. It will print a message enter number and it will wait. Then it will ask you to enter the number. Then you enter. Then it will read that, it will execute the logic, it will give the output. Okay, save it. Now go here. I changed my code. Can I run directly or I need to compile? Java C odd or even dot Java. Java space odd or even. What happened? It is asking enter number. Let me give 16. It is even. Enter 14. It is even. Enter 11 odd. Okay. So is it good or hard coding is good? It is good because we can test our program easily and quickly. When you read the data from the keyboard. Are you clear with this? Yeah. Look at this code. Odd or even. Online people able to understand? Yeah, you can give that also. Chalo. Yeah, he want to test the input with more than 3 digits. Do I need to compile? Can I run? Yes, I'm giving 120 or I'm giving 126. It is even. Now I'm giving 126.8. 4 numbers I am giving. It is even. So if I am giving some number like this, any number of characters, range ज़्यादा हो गया. Then what I need to do? I need to take it as a long value. The range matters. How to convert the string to long? Long dot parse long. Integer dot parse int. Long dot parse long. We can use it. Right. Now with the 3 digits up to integer range you can pass. Any number up to integer range you can pass. If the integer range exceeds number format exception, then you need to go for long values. Alright. Odd or even 789. It is odd value. 786. It is even. 787. Odd. Got it? Easily we can test our application. Anybody not able to understand this code? Anybody not able to understand this code? Read that. Sure. Online people, are you able to understand this code? When we go for scanner class, yes, we can use scanner also. We'll discuss that in the coming classes. We can discuss that in the coming classes. How to work with the scanner, how to work with command line arguments, that we will discuss in the coming classes. For time being, you can go with this buffered reader, change the program. Alright. Huh? You want some assignment? Yeah, I will give the assignment in the group. Okay.